Welcome to the SnapNrack training video. This video will demonstrate the installation of the SnapNrack RL Composition FlashTrack and RL mount. The RL Composition FlashTrack kit includes three components: the composition flashing, the FlashTrack, and the umbrella lag screw. The FlashTrack fits over the raised feature in the flashing, and the umbrella lag goes through both and is embedded into the rafter. Before we drill our pilot hole, let's take a look at where we're going to want to place the flashing on the roof. The flashing will go on top of, and the lag will go through, the first course of composition. The flashing will be placed under the second course of composition, and also a minimum of 1 inch under the third course. When installed correctly, the bottom edge of the flashing should be flush with the bottom edge of the first course of composition. It is also acceptable to install the flashing 1/4 inch above or 1/4 inch below the bottom edge of that first course. Applying these rules, we choose a location for the FlashTrack such that the bottom edge of the array, the top edge of the array, or the junction between modules runs through the FlashTrack. Here we see the junction between modules as drawn on the roof will run just above the lag screw hole in the FlashTrack. After the rafters have been located and a mounting location has been chosen, use a 3/16 drill bit to drill a pilot hole into the rafter. Once the pilot hole is drilled, use a breaker bar to loosen up the course of composition just above the pilot hole. Before the flashing is placed under the loosened composition, sealant must be applied to the pilot hole. Once sealant is applied, take the flashing and place it under the loosened composition, making sure the flashing is at least 1 inch underneath the third course of composition. Place the hole in the FlashTrack over the raised hole in the flashing and use an impact driver to drive the umbrella lag into the rafter. With the FlashTrack installed, we're now ready to install the mounts. RL mounts come in 3 different types: A mounts, which go at the bottom or the eaves, B mounts, which go everywhere else, and ridge mounts are used if you need to install modules all the way up to the ridge. RL mounts are attached to the roof by rocking the channel nuts into the FlashTrack. To make sure the RL mounts are seated entirely on the module or a C-link, the mounts can be flipped 180 degrees about the FlashTrack. Depending on the layout and rafter location, it may be necessary to flip an A mount. If so, remove the A mount, flip the A mount over, and remove the bolt that holds the A mount sleeve in place. Flip the A mount sleeve 180 degrees, and then replace the bolt. With the A mount sleeve now adjusted to be on the other side of the A mount, place the A mount back into the FlashTrack. For install efficiency and convenience, it is recommended that you set the B mount at the top of the FlashTrack and make sure the bolt is just tight enough to hold it in place, but still loose enough that you can slide the B mount up and down the FlashTrack. Thank you for watching this training video. If you have any questions about our products, please send an email to contact@snapnrack.com. And please check out our website, snapnrack.com, for all of our other mounting solutions.